What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today I got an exciting one. I am going to be reimagining two of my favorite characters, Rick and Morty. And we are making them African American. So we are just going to jump right into it. Of course, we know this is an extremely popular show. And from here on out, a lot of the drawings that I'm doing on this channel, I will be reimagining characters in my own artistic vision. And that's how we're going to take it. See if you guys like that style a little better or like that direction a little better. And this is the first iteration. You know, a lot of my drawings I've been repositioning, doing different layouts, doing it in my own way. But now I am just revamping. And that's how we are going to take it. So first I'm just sketching out these two characters. And the style of this cartoon is just, I don't know if you'd want to call it simplified, but compared to any kind of animation with really intricate detail, I guess the details will come in the scenery, not the characters themselves. All right. So this, I'm using the HB pencil first. I sketched them out, and then I'm coming here with the technical pen, and that's just my preference. I just like the way it's almost like a felt tip marker on this Procreate. And from the Rick I got, Mr. Sanchez, the smile there, if you want to call it a smile, 7 teeth on top and 6 at the bottom, and the unibrow, right? So my idea for this drawing was everything's the same but their skin color and their hair. All right. So doing something like this, I know I could have just went with the characters themselves, but I wanted to give you guys a little more, so I decided to draw them in the spaceship. I just thought that would make the whole overall experience a little more interesting. So, and I've never drawn anything from the Rick and Morty world. And for anyone who hasn't, I would suggest you do it. This is definitely a fun drawing right here. It's fun to draw in this style. Didn't get to Morty yet, but Rick was definitely a little more intricate because Morty is just basically the circle head. But, you know, to give him more of an Afrocentric feel, I gave him a hairline, like he just came out the barber shop. But if you know in the cartoon, Morty has the worst hairline ever. All right. So yes, we're getting those bucket seats in. And if you guys are enjoying this video, remember, smack that like button, leave a comment, subscribe, or hit that notification bell so you would know when I'm uploading a new video. All of that helps the channel to grow. It would be greatly appreciated. So once we're getting those the bucket seats in, I actually realized that I did the seats before I put their hair, so I had to erase some of the seat so I could fill Rick's hair in, because you know Rick has the wild blowout. And we are giving Rick some dreads. Same amount as his star hairstyle. Same amount as peaks. 6 on either side. And then we are giving Morty the nap top blowout. Same RG's face is on. Oh, jeez. And for the bubble on top of the ship, I had to just go through the character. It's just easier to do it that way. Just go through the entire all the characters and just really Morty. Just went through Morty and then I'm gonna erase. That'll just make your life easier and get the line looking good. All right, so that was what I wanted to do. Getting the seatbelt in there. And once I'm happy with that type stuff, then you just come in and erase the pieces that's not needed. Tighten all that up. And once all the pieces are in, then I'm going to just make sure the shapes are closed off so we could just drag and drop colors in. Turn off the original sketch layer, and now I've said many times before, this is the fun part, the dragging and dropping the colors in. It's just the best part because you know your drawing is where you want it, and it is just time. Now we're just getting the yellow teeth in. That's one of the funny things about Rick is his jacked up teeth. All right, a lot of funny features on this character, but definitely the teeth is one of them. I decided to give him just a crazy smile. I didn't throw the little bit of throw up that he has when he burps. I decided to leave that out. But that's another unique thing about this character here. Now it's just buttoning it up. Wanted to make Morty's shirt a little more yellow. Now just the metal gray. The highlighted part on the highlights and the shadow on the shadow side. All right, highlight on top. And the seatbelt, decided to make it just a slightly different color. Forgot to bring it all the way down. Get that in there and then erase. Well, not erase, color it in. A couple of little dents on the steering wheel. Those type of things. I had a space background I had from another drawing. I just brought that in. And that's going to be the outside. Reflective glow on their windshield. Tone the background down a little bit so it doesn't overtake the two characters. And there you have it, guys. We are done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, y'all be good and be safe. Peace.